Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Shalaka and I create videos on food, fashion, travel and lifestyle. So if any of these topics interest you, please subscribe to my channel and keep on watching. Also I make a lot of videos on other topics as well, so please do check them out. Now let's get into the video. So today's video is another day in my life. And now as we all are moving from the lockdown phase to the unlock phase, I thought like why not do another vlog. Now before I start the vlog, I thought that I should put it out here that it was my dad's 54th birthday party. It wasn't actually a party, it was a family get together. So we had been there and in this vlog you'll get to see all of it. And I just want to put it out here that during during this visit or during this like get together, we had taken all the safety measures for us and for the people around us. So yeah, it does not. I know it does not really show like a good thing to put it out here. And while we are still not in the safe zone, and that's the reason we decided to do this get together. And let's face it, just because of a pandemic, we do not stop living our lives. We have to live. And we have to stop cribbing about like 2020 has been like not my year or boring or whatever. So yeah, obviously you can celebrate with your loved ones, but the only thing is that you have to take proper safety measures. So yeah, that's about it. Also this video is a little here and there because I planned on first shooting it because it's a day in my life and I travel and then we have a party and everything. So I just wanted to give you a brief about what this is. So my day started with my morning routine, and so I've just clipped everything together and hopefully you guys will like it. So without a further ado, let's just get right into the video. So my day started at 8 AM today in the morning, and I got up, I did my morning routine, and for breakfast I had some idli chutney. Now I have recently started making the idli batter at home and it turns out pretty amazing, and I am never going back to the ready-made one again. So after I was done with my breakfast, I planned to edit a video. So this is what my workspace looks like, and everything is very much organized. And these are some basics which I always have with me while I'm working. So today is Tuesday and a video has to go up today. I have been working on that. I love the window right next to my work table. I get ample of sunlight from there, and it just makes my mornings more productive. Hey guys, it's almost 3 o'clock now and I thought I'll just update you guys here. So I did not do much since morning. I was clicking some pictures for Instagram, that's all. And then I had to edit the video which is supposed to go up like today. So I did edit it, I did exported it like to my files, and then I realized that there's been some mistakes, so I had to redo it again. So that's what I'm doing right now. Also meanwhile I was planning to like clean the house and all. I had to do the dishes, but then I got my chumps and I was just like taking rest as in I'm just sitting. I haven't really done any housework yet. Akash had helped me in the morning, and of course the house is clean, but then still I like to give it my touches, like I do my dusting and things like that on a regular basis. I fold my clothes, I arrange my cupboard, so I really like to keep it neat and clean, which is not done because I got my chums. So yeah, that's about it, and that's the reason I did not even vlog much. But now I'm just editing this video, and this video should be up in the next 1 hour, and then we are going to leave for my mom's place. of course taking all the precautions, wearing a mask, carrying a hand sanitizer. After we reach there also, we will first freshen up and then like meet everyone. So yeah, I think that's about it for now, and rest I'll keep you updated once. At around 4 p.m. when I finally was done editing, I decided to have a cup of coffee. I was also waiting by this time for Akash to return from work, as we had to leave for my mom's place. So finally around 6 p.m. we all reached at my mom's place, and as you can see, it's a full house. So we directly started by cutting the cake, which by the way my mom made at home. This is the most delicious cake for me in the world. PS, she makes it in a pressure cooker. Now can you believe that? So after we were done with cutting the cake, then we were all just hanging around, taking pictures, talking to each other, giggling and smiling because we were so happy to see each other after a long time. That day we also played the My First game with my dad, and a lot of unexpected answers came out, which were amazing to know. So I guess these are the little moments and little joys of lives which we should actually enjoy with our loved ones, because unknowingly we are creating thousands of memories, amazing memories with our loved ones, and what to say, that's going to remain for an entire life. Now this is again one of my mom's specialities, the chicken biryani. I'm just giving you a sneak peek here because the pot was too hot. These are all of my dad's colleagues from the press, as we own a newspaper agency, so they just came to wish him. Please do not judge me on the next clip. It's hilarious, I know. So with that we come to the end of it. I think everyone's smiling faces say a lot more to this video. Anyways, if you like the content I create, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you later. Bye bye.